I'm gonna take one more. I got no one else to smoke this with, so I don't want it to go to waste. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Herb Unboxed. Today, we're gonna be unboxing one of the most classic vaporizers ever made. It's the Volcano. The Volcano is one of the most unique vapes out there, but it's not really for people who have a low budget. This is one of the higher end vaporizers you can grab. Even though this has a higher price tag than some other vaporizers, this is gonna give you some of the best vapor you've ever inhaled. Without further ado, let's get into this Volcano. So we got an open tab on the back here we're gonna go into. Pull that right open. And then you get to the inside here. Ooh. So what we have here are 5 different balloons, each one of these orange ones here. If you don't know what balloons are, don't worry, we're gonna show you. This right here, this is your filling chamber. This is what you're gonna hook up to the bags so that you get all your vapor in there. Here, you can see the quick start manual. So this goes through all the steps of how to use your vape properly. We've got some more Volcano advertisement, some different instructions. All these books here are gonna teach you how to use it. Ho ho! Here we go. This is the granddaddy of the whole thing. There's your Volcano. So beautiful. So you can see what we have here, some of the stuff. We have our easy valve balloons. We only need one today, so we're gonna be taking a few of these out of frame. This looks like some sort of home appliance, like your blender or toaster or something. If your toaster could get you high. We have our instruction manuals. This will let you know how to use everything. We know what we're doing, so we're gonna put all this stuff over on the side. What we have here are balloons. Let's open up this balloon bag. You can see how big this unravels. Ooh. I don't know how big your lungs are, but I can't finish one of these. Here, we've got our filling chamber and a few extra accessories. Let's open this up here. Here's the filling chamber. Here's some screens. And then we have a nice little cleaning brush. Oh, so cute. They pack it up good to keep in all the freshness. Got a plastic cover. All right, let's turn this baby on. Time to see it in action. Here we go. Power. All right, to start off, we're gonna be turning on our Volcano with the red button right over here. And then we can pick our desired temperature. I like 369, what do you think? While the Volcano's heating up, we're gonna take this as an opportunity to open up the filling chamber, take our cannabis, which we have pre-grinded right here. Today we're gonna be smoking some green crack, which is one of my favorite sativas. And we'll be able to put it into the filling chamber right here. Closing it up. Now once this thing has been heated to the temperature we want it at, we'll be able to start smoking. It does take a little bit of time to heat up, so we'll see in a little bit. All right, so we've hit our desired temperature that we want, so now we get to start smoking. So you're gonna wanna take your filling chamber, you're gonna place it on top over here, so now everything is attached. Your balloon, you're going to attach it to the filling chamber, and then with this little green button, you can start the airflow. It's alive!
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Just let it fill up. The bigger the better. If it gets too big, share it with your friends. If you don't have any friends, get super high. So we got it full here. We're gonna turn it off, take off the balloon, and as you can see, no vapor is escaping from the balloon. That's because there's a valve system that keeps all the vapor inside. So that's why we have this tool here. When you place it in, and the vapor actually won't escape until you press your lips against the bag. So, as long as you got that on there, you don't need to worry about your vapor escaping. Once you take off the bag, you want to take off the filling chamber as well until your next session. All you need to do is push your lips against the mouthpiece and inhale. That is so good. The most beautiful part about this is it doesn't burn you at all. Like the vapor comes into the bag, it's able to sit there and cool off. You can taste the distinct difference in flavor from vaporizing to smoking. When you're smoking a joint, the paper and everything gets burnt in there and it really changes the taste of the weed. When you're taking it off a vape, especially a high-end vape like the Volcano, there's a distinct taste difference. It is a beautiful way to enjoy cannabis. I'm gonna take one more. I got no one else to smoke this with, so I don't want it to go to waste. This is amazing not just for vaping by yourself. If you have people over, you can clearly entertain with one of these huge bags. It's not just for yourself. You can share those with many people, and these bags come in all different sizes. So if you have a huge group coming through, you wanna pop on one bag and share it around, you can get multiple mouthpieces. It's great for a big group. All in all, if you're looking for one of the highest quality vaping experiences, it is on the pricier side, but if you're looking to make a really good investment in what you're gonna be doing almost every day, if you're an everyday smoker, even if you're a part-time smoker, this is the prime way to enjoy cannabis. Write in the comments below if you've ever hit a Volcano before and what your experience was like. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let us know if you like this unboxing episode. I'm gonna finish this bag. That's good.